As Valiant's guide explains, allergic reactions occur when your immune system erroneously identifies a harmless substance as a pathogen. While reactions can occur in any part of the body, they frequently arise when allergens, such as pollen or mold spores, enter your airways. This can prompt your body to release histamine and other chemicals, which often trigger disruptive symptoms such as coughing. In less severe cases, you may be able to alleviate your own symptoms by managing your exposure to airborne irritants and taking medication. For long-term relief, you can consider immunotherapy. This practice exposes the body to safe amounts of an allergen to desensitize it and reduce the severity of your symptoms.